Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we start chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership. Keep remember these important point. Number 1, if partners profit and loss ratio not given is distributed in equal ratio. Second point, if drawings is done in the beginning of every month, then n is equal to 78 upon 12. Number third, if drawings is done in the end of every month, then n is equal to 66 upon 12. Number fourth, interest is equal to PRN divided by 100, where P means principal amount, R means rate of interest, N means number of years. Number 5, profit of partners always distributed in profit and loss ratio. And last, number 6, if no provision is made in the partnership deed, then 6% per annum interest will be paid on the given loan. Okay, now we see some example. Question number 1, a partner withdraws identical amount at the end of each month from the firm. At the end of the year, total annual drawing is 12,000. 12% per annum interest is chargeable on drawings. Determine the amount of interest on drawing of the year. Okay, see, total annual drawing is 12,000, means P value of P is 12,000 given. Then 12% per annum interest means R of means rate of interest, value of R is 12%. Then end of each month, so value of N is end of each month, so N is equal to 66 upon 12. Then put formula, interest on drawings PRN divided by 100. Value of P is here 12,000. Rate of interest means R is 12%. Value of N is 66. Here 12 and here 100. 0 0 cancel. 12 cancel. Then multiply. 120 into 66, so is 792. That is total annual. हमें क्या मिलेगी? Total annual. But we need monthly interest. So monthly interest is equal to 792 divided by 12 month. Divided by 12. Answer is 6660 means 660 rupees. Okay, monthly interest. Now solve question number 2. Amruta and Divya are the partners of a firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on the net profit. After deduction of such commission, what amount will be received by Amruta if profit of the year is 96,876? See here, net profit after deduction of such commission. It has a formula. इसका एक formula होता है, commission is equal to profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. Profit is here given. Total profit is 96,876. Percentage of commission is 8% and 100 plus percent of commission is 8. So 96876 into 8 divided by 108. Divide 96876 multiply by 8 divided by 108. 7176. That is Amruta's कमीशन. हमें क्या मिला? ये अमृतास कमीशन. You get Amruta's commission. Now, after deduction of such commission, so profit after commission. Total profit is 96,876 minus Amruta's commission is 7176. 96876 minus 7176. 80,900. 89,700. Okay. Then last one, Amruta's profit. So Amruta's profit see here, profit loss ratio is not given. तो क्या करेंगे हम? इसको इक्वल पार्टीशन करें, इसको इक्वल पार्ट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. टोटल प्रॉफिट इज 89,700 and numbers of partners here Amruta and Divya 2. So 89,700 divided by 2. Answer is 44,850. Means Amruta's profit is 44,850 plus their commission is 7,107. Then plus 44,850 plus 7,176. Total profit Amruta is 52,026 rupees. Okay. Now solve question number 3. Question number 3. Vismay, Abhijit and Kunal are the partners sharing profit in the proportion of 3:4. Manager is to be paid 10% commission on profit, but after the deduction of his such share, the share of profit of Abhijit is 30,000. Determine the commission of manager. Okay, remember one thing. Manager commission always find on total profit of the firm. तो एक चीज याद रखना, हमेशा मैनेजर कमीशन हमेशा टोटल प्रॉफिट पे फाइंड करते हैं. सो स्टेप 1, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ ए फॉर्म. ठीक, सी Abhijit profit is here 30,000. So write here 30,000. 30,000. Profit sharing ratio is here 3, 2 and 4. Edit 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. So multiply by 9. Abhijit profit 30,000. Here Abhijit profit is 30,000. So Abhijit ratio is here 2. They will divide by 2. Okay. Then 30,000 multiply by 9 divided by 2. 1,35,000 rupees total profit of the firm. Then find commission of the manager. The commission of the manager, 1,35,000 total profit is of the firm, multiply by commission of percentage here 10 percentage. So 1,35,000 into 10 percentage, 13,500 rupees. Okay. Question number 4. The profit sharing ratio of Rajkumar, Kaushik and Sharma is 15:10:9. The total profit of the year of the firm is 68,000. Determine the share in profit of each partners. First name is Rajkumar. So Rajkumar's profit. Total profit of year is 68,000. Rajkumar ratio is 15. Then total of 3 partner ratio is 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 9, 34 divided by 34. Second name is Kaushik. Kaushik's profit is same 68,000 total profit of the firm, and Kaushik ratio is 10, or total ratio is 34. Then Sharma's profit 68,000 total profit of the firm. Sharma's profit ratio is 9, total profit is 34. Then so 68,000 multiply by 15 divided by 34, 30,000 rupees. Then 68,000 into 10 divided by 34. Sorry, 68,000 into 10 divided by 34, 20,000 rupees. Then last, Sharma's profit 68,000 into 9 divided by 34, 18,000. Okay. Then question number 5. This is a very important question from exam point of view. Mehta received his share 4 times of Pandya, while Bajpai received half share of Mehta. Profit of the firm at the end of the year 87,500. Determine the share in the profit of each partner. See, Mehta received his share 4 times of Pandya. Okay, Mehta receive 4 times of Pandya. Second point, while Bajpai receive half share of Mehta's. It means here Pandya share is not given, मतलब इसका पंड्या का शेयर हमको यहाँ पे नहीं दिया है. So let Pandya's share be 1. ओके, सपोज क्या सपोज करेंगे पंड्यास शेयर बी x. सेकेंड पॉइंट, मेहता रिसीव हिज शेयर 4 टाइम्स ऑफ पंड्या. मेहता रिसीव हिज शेयर 4 टाइम्स ऑफ पंड्या. सी पंड्या शेयर इज 1 and 4 times, तो multiply by 4, 4 1 जा 4. Then second point, Bajpai receive half of share of Mehta. Bajpai receives half of share of Mehta. Bajpai receive half of share of Mehta. तो Mehta share is 4 and half means 1 upon 2. 2 2 जा 4 cancel. It means Mehta share is 2. Then name. So first name is Mehta. Second name Pandya. And third name Bajpai. Mehta share is 4, Pandya share is 1 and Bajpai share is 2. Then determine the share profit of the each partner. The first name is Mehta. Mehta's profit, total profit is 87,500. Mehta's ratio is 4 and total ratio, तो 4 1 5 plus 2 7 divided by 7. Then second point, Pandya's profit, same 87,500. Pandya share is 1 plus 4 5 5 2 7. Then third name is Bajpai. $87,500 multiply by 2 divided by 7. 87,500 multiply by 4 divided by 7. 50,000. Then second point, 87,000 into 1 divided by 7. 87,500 multiply 1 divided by 7. 12,500. Then 87,500 multiply by 2 divided by 7. 25,000. So Mehta's profit is 50,000, Pandya's profit is 12,500 and Bajpai profit. Okay, now see question number 6. Profit of the partnership firm of Sheela, Surabhi and Sanket is 1,35,000. They have shared profit in the ratio 2:1:3 instead of 3:3. What accounting treatment is to be given to the capital account to rectify this error? Okay, remember one thing, correct ratio always indicate with plus sign. Okay, and incorrect ratio always indicate with minus sign. आपको हमेशा याद रखना है करेक्ट रेशियो को हमेशा प्लस साइन से दिखाना है और इनकरेक्ट रेशियो को हमेशा माइनस साइन में दिखाना है. नाउ स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट here particular, then partner's name here Sheila, Surabhi and Sanket. Okay, then correct distribution of प्रॉफिट. ओके, अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे करेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. करेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट रेशियो इज हियर गिवन 3:3. दैट इज करेक्ट रेशियो 3:3. ओके, देन इनकरेक्ट distribution of profit. Incorrect ratio is 2:1:3. 1:3. Okay. Now total profit is here 1,35,000. So 1,35,000. Sheila ratio is 3, to multiply by 3. Divide total ratio is 3:5, 5, 3, 8. Divide by 8. So Sheila ratio is 50,625 profit. Okay, then Surabhi 1,35,000 into 2 divided by 8, 33,750. The last Sanket 1,35,000 into 3 divided by 8, 50,625. Then incorrect ratio is 2:1:3. So 1,35,000 into 2 divided by 2:1:3, 6 divided by 6, 45,000. 1,35,000 into 1 divided by 6, 22,500. The last 1,35,000 into 3 divided by 6, 6,7,500. Okay. Then correct ratio indicate with plus symbol. Okay, incorrect ratio indicate with minus symbol. Then minus, plus minus, minus 50,625 minus 45,000. 50,625 minus 45,000. 5,625 plus, then minus 33,750 minus 20. Answer is 1,225. Bigger number is so here plus symbol, then minus 6,7,500 minus 50,625, 16,807. Bigger number is 67,500. So here minus. Okay, now see plus amount is here 5,625 and 11,255. तो क्या करना आपको, इसको आपको क्या करना है, क्रेडिट करना, क्या करना है, क्रेडिट, क्या करना है, इसको आपको क्रेडिट में करना है। और ये क्या है, माइनस है, इसे क्या करेंगे, डेबिट, याद रखना है, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, प्लस अमाउंट विल बी क्रेडिट एंड माइनस अमाउंट विल बी डेबिट। देन जनरल एंट्री करते हैं, माइनस अमाउंट इज 16,875 is Sanket. So Sanket capital account debit to Sanket to Silas capital account to Surbhi's capital account. Sanket amounting 16,875, Sila amounting 5,625 and last 11,250 is Surbhi. Okay, if you have liked this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.